Hello everyone, my name is Kiran Shinde and today's date is 6 August 2022 and today's our topic is and today now I am discussing about the string why string is immutable in Java. First of all, a string concept is in Java. It is useful to the concept of the collection of the characters, and it is the sequence of the characters in strings. Basically, strings are very useful in our Java programming language. There are two ways to performing the strings. First one is the literal ways, and by using the ni keywords. Uh, in strings are why strings are immutable in Java. Whenever we create any objects, we cannot be changes the in strings. It cannot be changes or objects. It is the immutable strings in Java. First of all, whenever we create an objects by using the literal ways and by using the ni keywords, first of all, by using the literal ways are in strings. It is the immutable type. Whenever we want to changes the in strings, we first of all we create a new objects. We cannot be objects. We cannot be changes the in already given strings. And by using the whenever we create an object by using the literal words to store the in string constant pool and two reference variables, same different types of the reference variables, multiples and same objects to refers the different types of the reference variable to refers only one objects. It is the same objects to store in the string constant pool. And whenever we create an object by using the ni keywords, it to store in heap memory also. Difference between the immutable and mutable and immutable. In immutable, we want to change we want to whenever we want to the changes we changes the easily in strings. And in strings immutable, whenever we want to changes the string after creating the objects, we cannot be easily changes the values in strings. Whenever we create an objects, two types of the memories also required in objects, string constant pool and heap memory. And the next one is the advantages of the strings immutable. It is require the less memory. That's why we whenever we create objects to require the less memory, because to that to store in the to refer the different types of the reference variable to refer the only one objects. That's why require the less memory. This is all about the immutable strings in Java. Thank you.